Hey everybody, Omega Rider DXBD review. Today's review is my first not Gundam model kit. My first is Figurized Standard Kamen Build Rabbit Tank Form by Bandai Japan. Also, I got on Amazon. Also, that's my brother gave me. It's my birthday, my second birthday present. I already reviewed Legacy White Ranger. Now, Figurized Standard release Gundam. Also, the not only Gundam, they release Kamen Rider, the Heisei Riders. Later, Show Rider, maybe Railroad Rider. Maybe. They're along with Digimon, Doraemon, Dragon Ball. I know the model kit. Plastic model. Yeah, pretty awesome. Now here's Kamen Rider Bill. I done all piece plastic model kit. Let's take a look detail. The heads go, yeah, I like SH figure, but it's different. It's a model kit. I know it's a translucent. It's a sticker. I know. See, there's sticker. It's a problem. Like silver, like unlike SH figure, Compa Eye is different. Yes, this is sticker. Full bottle. Rabbit and tank. Translucent. Yeah, that's sticker. Along this one too. Sticker. The back is sticker. Very awesome. Articulation is the model kit. Really careful. This very loosey. The head rotate this. It can up and down like this. Arm rotate this. It can in and out. Rotate this. Bend the elbow and rotate fist. Waist swivel. It can up and down. The legs front and back. It can in and out. Rotate this. Bend the knee and the ankle. Side and side going up and down. That's it. Articulation. The Figurized Kamen Rider Bill Rabbit Tank. Now, the accessory is only rabbit form red fist, extra hand, along the holding hand. I can't remember weapon. I don't remember. And the one hand, blue one, only one hand. Let's take out this first. I know that one problem. Ball joint. Very careful. The drill kind of remind me. It's a drill sword weapon. Drill sword. Very similar. Drill saber from Mega Ranger, also known as Spiral Saber from Power Rangers Space. All open this in cannon, but so it can very loosey, can fall off. Yeah, sticker, yellow sticker. Oh, I mentioned that one. Rotate this, like the lot spill. Let's post and it's standard. You see connect hole. No, just a second. There we go. Oh. Sorry, it's puppy mouth. There we go. Yeah. It's standing. Now, take out this. Yeah, this figure it was great. It's a figurized standard. Only it's a plastic model kit. Yeah, all the figure build the model. First read instruction book. Reading, just read if all the building pieces model kit. Yeah. Very losing happened. Yeah, I read more model kit, Gundam model kit, similar model kit, along like Super Mini Block, and I know Super Robot, Real Robot model kit, along Power Super Sentai Mecha model kit, Super Mini Block. Yeah, this figure I recommended. That one I got in Amazon for my birthday, thanks to my brother. Now guys, check out my Omega Rider DX video review. Now check out my Omega Rider 99CX doubleplace.com. Follow my Twitter and Facebook. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget thumbs up you like. Don't forget click email notification bell. Now guys, Omega Rider DX video review signing out, and thanks for watching.